In my real course in Kyoto, I ask students to write about any interesting things or ideas that they discovered during the past 7 days. Here is what one student wrote. One night, I really wanted to have Oreo cookies, so I went out to a nearby 100 yen shop. I found Oreo cookies in package sizes of 140 grams and 65 grams. Of course, I bought the 140 gram package. Only a stupid person would select the 65 gram size. When I showed the package to my friend, she said, these are not Oreos. I am the one who was stupid. The cookies I bought are called Cream O. They are sold in the exact same package color, Oreo blue. Even the cookies look so alike. Later, I bought a package of real Oreos to compare the taste, slightly different, but basically the same. That's what the student wrote. I actually investigated this case with my assistant. Let me show you the results of our investigation. The package on the right is Cream O, very similar to Oreo. The Cream O cookie looks somewhat different, slightly different. The Oreo may be a little bigger, but Oreo is the best-selling cookie in the history of humankind. It is known for its contrasting black and white colors and well-balanced chocolate and cream. It goes perfectly with milk. In fact, there are many products on the market today that mimic Oreo cookie. To name a few, there is Boreo from Egypt, White Black from China, Cameo from Korea, even Oreo. So you might think, wow, this world is full of copycats, but Oreos still taste the best and are different from the imitations. However, our research led to a surprising and serious fact. The Oreo itself is also an imitation. The original cookie that inspired the development of Oreo is called Hydrox. It looks exactly the same as Oreo. Hydrox originally went on sales in 1908 and the Oreo in 1912. In this case, the imitation has become more popular than the original product. Such a thing happens often in the drug industry. In fact, many pharmaceutical companies have adopted the first follower strategy, whereby they quickly mimic the successful drugs developed by others. On the other hand, the first-in-class strategy develops a new drug with new mechanism. Innovative new drug is usually developed in a hurry to treat as many patients as possible. That's why new drugs often have room for further improvements. For example, the new drug may permit oral administration instead of injection. It may need to be taken just once a day instead of many times. Or it may not have side effects anymore. If such improvements can be addressed with the fast follower strategy, the sales of the improved drug will exceed those of original drug. although the improved drug is an imitation. Fast follower approach is an attractive strategy in a business perspective. As an improved drug gains popularity, more imitations will be developed and marketed. These later imitations are called slow followers. When compared with the fast follower drugs, these imitations of an imitation will rarely be successful. When the market is flooded with slow follower drugs, a price war begins and overall sales will drop as a result. By the way, when you got influenza, did you take Tamiflu, a very famous and effective influenza drug? Actually, Tamiflu is a fast follower drug. I will tell you about this in the next video clip.